What's going on YouTube? So today we're here to look at Samsung's wireless charging pad. This is the Duo version. Now this is a Samsung dual charging pad. Now this can charge your phone, your earbuds, and your watch. Now you can only charge two devices at one time, but I went ahead and picked this device up mainly for my wife. We have the Trio charger and it's quite large, and she's always just setting it down there and she can't seem to find that sweet spot. This one has one dedicated zone for charging, so it should be much easier for her to get it on there. So let's take a look and see what's on this box here. So this is 9 watts of wireless charging, which is pretty interesting. Now I did reach out to the manufacturer about that, and this is meant to be a bedside charger to charge it low and slow to maintain healthier battery. And it does a wide variety of Galaxy phones, watches, also AirPods, so that's good to know. Now this uses the USB-A to C cable, and that's a little different. The Trio pad uses a C to a C, so that's and this is made in Vietnam, from Samsung. So these Samsung chargers are some of the highest quality chargers that you could get. Now I'm really interested to see what the quality of this is. Now the Trio is very high quality and it is expensive. This one's a little bit cheaper and it's got some super high ratings on here, so I'm really hoping it's a good product here. This should be a little bit easier for my wife to use also. About to find out here. So on the Trio you can fit your phone, your earbuds, and your watch on there, or a couple sets of earbuds, but this one's much more tailored for just 2 devices, so this will be good for her. So let's see what we got. This is just a little instruction manual here. Now the one on the left there, that's the Samsung pad, and it's just a single device that can charge your earbuds or your phone. And that's the pad there, but we have the Duo one right here next to it right here. So this one you can do your phone, your watch, or your earbuds and your watch together. So it's pretty good to know. It does tell you just kind of how to plug it. You just basically plug it in. We'll go ahead and check that out. Now I do like buying these chargers here because you do also get their fast charger, and that's something pretty good. Now I am kind of surprised that this is a USB-A to a USB-C. It's probably because the power consumption on this is a little bit lower than the Trio. The Trio uses the C to C. We're gonna take a look, and it looks like we're gonna be at 5 volts at 2 amps, so that's pretty standard for this. So let's see, you have nothing on the top, no USB-C, but there's the Type A right there. So, and the Type A is the little bit bigger square one here. Let's get this kind of set up here. Let's get this cable out. Now I really do enjoy Samsung's wireless chargers. I've used them for a lot of years and I've not had one fail yet. I still have the original ones. So, the quality is really good. And I can feel this just has some weight on there. It feels really nice. It's got rubber feet on the bottom. Just kind of zoom in a little bit. It's very nice. I really like the quality of this. Now I do have some other chargers, wireless chargers, and I'm doing reviews on those also, and I can already tell a big difference. So there we go, we got our input. And then this uses 4 coils for charging, so it's probably 2 for each. This is the pad here. Let me get these things off here. Now here's the main charging zone. And this zone right here is where you're going to set your phone down, you're going to set your earbuds down, and then of course this is the indicator for what side that you're charging. Now, and the one on the right obviously is for your watch. You just set your watch down on there. Now I'm going to get this charger plugged up real quick. We're going to see what this looks like here. Now I see that there's a lot of different chargers out nowadays and different things like that. So I've tried to stick with the manufacturer, the name brands. I've got some cheaper ones. I've heard of a lot of problems with them. This is using the QI, or it's pronounced Qi, wireless communications to actually perform the wireless charging. So, you know, that's the standard for it. Now some chargers, charge at 4 watts, 7.5, 9 watts, and then the stand that I got charges at 15 watts and does the super fast wireless charging. So that's really, really good. Now this one, like I said, it's I reached out to Samsung and they said their idea is that this is for battery maintenance health. It's just meant to sit down while you're sleeping, and you can see when we turn it on, it just kind of cycles through the lights to let you know it's plugged up and it's doing its little checks. And then we set the earbuds on there, and then boom, there we go, it comes right on pretty fast. Now let's see. Now these have the little ridges, and it's kind of like cradles it, so it'll be super easy for my wife just to set her phone down right on there and not have to worry about not finding the right zone. As you can see, it's kind of got like a little cradle on there, and it's about the size of my hand. I have about a medium-sized hand, so basically any of the S phones, the Notes, the Galaxy phones, any of the newer type phones that have the wireless technology is going to work with this. So let's get this, let me get my fingerprints off here. Let's see how it reacts with the phone. I mean, before I even get it on there, picked it up. Now they say that this will go through about 3 millimeters worth of a case. So I don't have a case on right at this moment, but they all work good with cases, even the kickstand cases. And you can see fast wireless charging right there. It's pretty good. Let's go ahead and get this watch off and pop that on there also. I really do like how this looks. It does look very nice. It's going to be nice for my wife on her table there. Yeah, it just kicks right on. Let's try the earbuds here. Boom, it's super fast too. I really like that. Kick it on. Yep, you just hit that center. Now I'm going to try some of the edges here, kind of see where that zone exactly is. And it's probably about it. If you could figure about a quarter on there, what a quarter looks like, that's where you want to be. Just imagine a quarter when you sit it down and aim for the quarter. But it's going to be dead center of that pad, so it's going to be really good. And this is basically it. Now, if you have the newer, Galaxy S21, or I think the S20, and the Z Fold, you can go through and you can have it, you can dim those lights right there so don't disturb you when you're sleeping. Me personally, I can't even see them, when I'm sleeping, so on the Trio. But yeah, that is really good. Now, I'm going to drop a link below, and I'm going to continue to use this. If anything changes with it, I'll be sure to let you guys know. I believe this is a super, super good quality product here. and I don't think that you're gonna go wrong. But that's gonna wrap it up for me. I do appreciate y'all. If y'all have any comments or questions, or what type of wireless chargers are you guys using, just leave a comment below. I work really hard to make sure I try to answer everyone's comments and keep everyone engaged and involved. I really look forward to hearing from y'all. But until next time, we will see you later.